Looking to upgrade your car's audio system? The right speaker adapter makes all the difference. This adapter is specially designed for 6 to 6 3/4 speakers, ensuring a snug, secure fit without any hassle. Crafted from high-grade materials, this adapter promises durability and long-lasting performance. Unlike cheaper alternatives, it won't wear down or loosen over time, so your speakers stay firmly in place. One of the best features is its factory-style finish. The sleek black color blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior, giving you a professional look that doesn't compromise style for function. If you drive a Toyota Highlander from 2016 or a Camry from 2015, these adapters are worth a closer look. They're engineered to fit perfectly in these models' front doors, making your speaker upgrade straightforward and clean. Users across the United States praise how these adapters fit right out of the box. No need for cutting or modifications, just plug and play. That means less time in the garage and more time enjoying crisp, clear sound. One Toyota Highlander owner shared how these adapters replaced the stock speakers with ease. The fit was perfect, and the build quality felt solid. This kind of reliability is what you want when upgrading your car's audio system. For Camry owners, a quick note: some users removed all the tabs to accommodate 6.5 speakers. While not as heavy-duty as some other brands, these adapters strike a good balance between sturdiness and price. Why does this matter? A secure speaker adapter prevents vibrations and rattling, which can degrade sound quality. With these adapters, you get stable mounting that enhances your listening experience. Beyond just fit and durability, these adapters simplify the installation process. No complicated tools or professional help needed. If you're comfortable swapping speakers yourself, this product saves you time and effort. The black finish also means you don't have to worry about unsightly colors clashing with your door panels. It's a subtle but important detail that keeps your car's interior looking sharp. What changes when you use these adapters? Your new speakers sit perfectly aligned, delivering the best sound possible. The secure fit reduces buzzing and ensures the speakers perform at their peak. If you've been holding off on upgrading your Toyota's speakers because of fit concerns, this adapter removes that barrier. It's a straightforward solution that works with popular speaker sizes and models. Installation is quick, and the adapters hold tight even on bumpy roads. That means your sound stays consistent, no matter where your drive takes you. Considering the price point, these adapters offer solid value. They may not be the heaviest duty on the market, but they provide dependable performance for most users. For anyone looking to improve their car audio without fuss, these adapters are a smart choice. They deliver what you need: secure fit, good materials, and a clean look, without breaking the bank. If that's you, upgrading your speakers just got easier. These adapters are designed to fit, last, and keep your audio crisp. Worth a look if you want hassle-free installation and reliable results. Try them when you're ready to swap out those factory speakers. They'll help you unlock the full potential of your new sound system, enhancing every drive with better clarity and depth. In short, this speaker adapter is a practical, well-made accessory for anyone upgrading to 6 to 6 3/4 speakers in select Toyota models. It fits perfectly, installs easily, and holds firm for better sound quality. Don't let speaker fit issues hold you back. These adapters give you the confidence to upgrade your car audio system with ease and enjoy every note on the road.